quick 3D tutorials. Today's video is part 1 of the paint effects and that is especially talking about the tree. So to find the brush inside Maya 2018, you can just go to the Windows and go to the content browser. Which you can find these here. And that's we have using the first file, it is the tree, and the second one is tree mesh. So instead of you just go ahead and draw the difference, so I have already creating it. But when you want to use or drawing a tree, you're going to modeling, generate, get brush, and from here you're going to choose the brush do you want and just drag. So you need to drag. If you drag and continue, it will just continue this. If you just drag a bit and leave it, so it's going to continue to make it. So now that is this folder with all the tree they are here. So the name you can also find it, but I have make it by one. So here the first one, and you will see the name of the tree here. Actually it is the Struck Alien Tree. So that is the first one, that is the second one, and third. And anytime you want to have this tree, you can find the name and just find it in this folder, so you can just use it. There are actually a lot of tree, and that is kind of a wood, and of course in any time you can customize the thing they are here. But just to give a review, something can be funny to see it, but yeah. So yeah, this tree looks very nice, and this tree, Christmas tree, this tree which is a bit bigger, and so on. Some of the leaves have only one polygon, some other have more. We're going to make a video tutorials about the different type of the leaves and how we can make customized tree if we want. But it is faster if you're going to find the tree you're looking for. So now we're going to the palm. So it is a lot of tree. Some of them you think, okay, it's not looking tree, that is a low vision, which you're going to bring actually alpha ELPG or PNG to get only one tree from far away, so you don't need to render. The same thing here. And here we have another type of only one polygons to make things. So we have the red wood also, and other type of red wood. You have to see it. Second one, and so on. So all these was red wood. So now we have something continue down way, so maybe on the mountain or a stone or whatever thing it is, you can also use it. and that is the 2 timing instead of 1. But you can also continue by one of the tree and then building it with the leaves and flowers or whatever thing it is you want to add. And in any time you can see this one is low vision of this tree, you can go ahead and make it to be higher. But as lower it is, as faster it's going to render, because sometimes we have a lot of leaves. But depend, the tree which is very thin can have less polygon, but as soon you coming to some of the tree, they have be bigger, not this case, but it will be, yeah, better you giving more polygons. So that was the first folder of this tree. You will find it here. So I have just selecting it to you getting the name of these different things. And the next one, which is the next file, is calling for tree mesh. Same things, you will find it in the next folder inside the paint effect. So here we have tree meshes, some of them which they have this icon has building animation to it. And these I have already some of the animation also. So we're starting also by first one. These three looking very similar, but sometimes is the leaves they have. So you're getting high and low vision of the tree. So I think with these, with a bigger tree, you need to have a lot of, or not a lot of, but more mesh geometry. And same thing with the flatness, you're going to put an image file. Now we're getting a lot of bigger one. So you can see a smaller version of it. They're a bit different, these thing is. I think it was looking better if they have making it like one big one instead they using this. Something like this, but maybe more bigger. Of course, in any time, if it is only this one you want to make it bigger and putting it a bit down, or in any time you can use that, because the paint effect had a lot of tools you can work with. Now we came to the palm tree. So that is normal one. One is very big, kind of similar. Going to be smaller. They have calling it for medium, and that is for a smaller. You can just zoom in here. And we have the young one. And young 2 also, or lighter they have calling it. And some of the image again, and that can be used for forest in the window maybe. And here we have some of them again, light vision, medium vision. We have some of tree starting with not, it is tree, but it's starting by more in one. That is a small version of it. And we have some of the tree which is all thing is going to be on the down area, which be also nice to have. And some of them they have nothing, leaves, and some of them have that to be like this way. So I think is going to, yeah, that is the last one. Okay, where we are. So this one is very big one, but kind of the same. So that is the next folder. So now you have very quickly seen which tree you can find in the tree and which one you can find in tree meshes. So the last one was tree mesh and the first one was tree. I'm going to upload this file to it, so you can just find it, find the name and F, so you can see where they are. But remember, this one is Maya 2018, so if you have Maya 2017, cannot be opened. So thanks for watching.